Hello, and I am Gus Julius R. Padilla, and this is the 5 W's and 1 H of mathematics. So let's get started. What is mathematics? According to Merriam-Webster's dictionary, it is the science of numbers and their operations, interrelations, combinations, generalizations, abstractions, and of space configurations in their structure. Where did mathematics start or originate? From the very beginning of humanity, people have been using mathematics, as speculated by archaeologists with the Ishango bone, which might have been used to count something, since it was a bone with evenly spaced tallies scratched on it, to the Egyptian and Mesopotamian manuscripts mentioning Pythagorean triplets or theorems. But the study of mathematics as a demonstrative principle began in the 6th century BC with Pythagoras, who coined the term mathematics from the ancient Greek word mathema, meaning subject of instruction. So even if Pythagoras coined the term mathematics, who do we call the father of mathematics? That would be the Greek philosopher and mathematician Archimedes, popularly known today from the Archimedes and the Golden Crown conundrum, the story where he figures out how to weigh an object and check for the material's density. Of course, this one thing isn't enough to get you the name of father of mathematics. Archimedes was also the one first recorded to quantify the number of pi, using it to measure circles, techniques to measure parabolas and calculate the relationships between spheres and cylinders. He's the first to propose the concept of infinity and was a fan of prime numbers. Even adding to his mathematical breakthroughs, he also was an inventor. Most notably of his inventions was the Archimedes screw, which was first made to get water out of the insides of ships. When you think of a screw in a geometric sense, it is quite complicated. So him figuring out how a screw is useful and how to make it makes it even more impressive. So when do we use mathematics? Mathematics seeps their way into almost every question we have in our everyday lives. Gauging time or distance, counting objects and money, or arranging stuff to name a few. Applied mathematics is so natural to us that we hardly notice how it makes our life a more productive and comfortable one. But if I would name a few, then our computers, when thinking how to portion cooking ingredients, and Google Maps calculating my travel are a few examples of how mathematics affect my daily life. I would have a very difficult time thinking what my life would be like without those mathematical concepts that our forefathers made for us. Once again, I am Gus Julius R. Padilla, and this is the 5 W's and 1 H of mathematics. Thank you for listening. Oh boy. I like how I pass my things based on how much I like my professors. I might pass this like 11. I think Sir did a good job discussing our lesson.